While everyone's panicking about AI taking their jobs, a 23-year-old college dropout just made $2.3 million this year, using nothing but ChatGPT and a laptop. His secret? He didn't fear the machine. He partnered with it. Luxonians, what I'm about to show you will flip everything you think you know about artificial intelligence wealth on its head. Here's what 97% of people get wrong about AI money-making. They think it's coming for their paycheck. They think it's the enemy. But while they're hiding under their desks, smart money is flowing to those who see the real opportunity. The artificial intelligence wealth revolution isn't happening tomorrow. It's happening right now. And if you're not positioned correctly, you won't just miss out on millions. You'll watch others become millionaires with the same tools you ignored. Let me show you what's actually happening in the AI economy. Take Helena Liu, who documented her journey on Twitter. She went from making $30,000 as a freelance writer to invoicing over $300,000 annually by using AI to scale her content creation business. She openly shares how she uses ChatGPT to research, outline, and draft content 10 times faster than traditional methods. Her client base exploded because she could deliver quality work at unprecedented speed. Then there's Dharmesh Shah, co-founder of HubSpot, who purchased the ChatGPT.com domain for over $15 million. But more importantly, he's been transparent about using AI tools to optimize his entire business operations. His company now uses AI for customer service, content creation, and predictive analytics. The result? HubSpot's AI-powered features have become a major revenue driver. But here's where it gets really interesting. Jason Calacanis, the angel investor, has documented on his podcast how he's using AI trading algorithms and market analysis tools. He's shared specific examples of how AI spotted patterns in market data that led to profitable investment decisions. These aren't theoretical examples. These are real people sharing real results in real time. Here are 7 AI finance tools and strategies that could transform your bank account. Number 1, content creation empire. AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Pictory, and 11 Labs can build you a complete content machine. Look at Matt Wolfe from Future Tools. He's built an entire YouTube channel and newsletter business around AI content creation. He uses AI to research trends, generate video scripts, create thumbnails, and even automate parts of his editing process. His channel generates substantial revenue through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and his paid newsletter. He's completely transparent about his AI-powered workflow. Another example is Aurelius Chin, who runs the Paid Media Pros channel. He's documented how he uses AI to create ad copy, analyze campaign performance, and scale his digital marketing agency. His AI-powered approach has allowed him to handle more clients while improving results, directly increasing his agency's revenue. Number 2, AI-powered trading. Platforms like Trade Ideas and TrendSpider analyze millions of data points instantly. They spot patterns humans miss. Take Stephen Dux, a well-known day trader who shared how he incorporates AI analysis into his trading strategy. While he emphasizes that AI doesn't guarantee profits, he's shown how AI tools help him identify potential setups and manage risk more effectively. Early adopters in the AI trading space are seeing significantly better risk-adjusted returns. Number 3, automated business operations. ChatGPT can handle customer emails. Artificial intelligence schedulers manage appointments. Automated systems run your entire sales funnel while you sleep. Pat Flynn from Smart Passive Income has documented how he uses AI chatbots and automation to handle customer inquiries for his online courses. This automation has reduced his team's workload while maintaining high customer satisfaction scores. The result? His business scales without scaling his stress. Number 4. AI consulting services. Businesses are desperate for AI integration help. Look at Liam Otley, who runs a successful YouTube channel teaching AI automation to businesses. He charges premium rates for AI implementation consulting, often earning $5,000 to $15,000 per project. He's openly shared case studies of helping businesses automate their operations using AI tools, resulting in significant cost savings and efficiency improvements for his clients. Number 5. Data analysis goldmine. AI tools can analyze customer behavior, predict market trends, and optimize pricing. Ryan Kaji's parents, who manage Ryan's World, have shared how they use AI analytics to optimize their YouTube content strategy, merchandise decisions, and brand partnerships. The AI analysis helps them understand which content performs best and when to release new products, directly impacting their multi-million-dollar empire. Number 6. AI-enhanced real estate. Predictive analytics identify undervalued properties before they hit the market. BiggerPockets has featured several real estate investors who use AI tools for market analysis and property evaluation. These investors use AI to analyze rental yields, predict neighborhood growth, and identify undervalued properties. Some have documented finding profitable deals by leveraging AI analysis that traditional methods missed. Number 7. The AI startup wave. Building simple AI tools for specific niches is incredibly profitable. Look at the success of Jasper AI, founded by Dave Rogenmoser. They built an AI writing tool specifically for marketers and grew from zero to over $75 million in annual recurring revenue in just 2 years. The key was focusing on one specific use case and executing it perfectly. But here's what separates winners from losers in the AI jobs revolution. Your relationship with money is about to be tested. The law of attraction doesn't just apply to manifestation, it applies to adaptation. Wealth flows to those who think abundantly, not fearfully. While others see AI as a threat, you must see it as the greatest wealth-building partner in human history. Here's the truth most won't tell you. AI doesn't replace humans. It replaces humans who refuse to evolve, but it elevates those who embrace it. Think about this. Every major technological shift created massive wealth for early adopters. The printing press, the assembly line, the internet, the smartphone. Each time, the same pattern emerged. Those who adapted early became wealthy. Those who resisted became irrelevant. Remember when people said the internet was just a fad? The same skeptics who missed Amazon at $18 per share. Jeff Bezos himself has spoken about how he saw the internet's 2,300% annual growth rate and knew he had to act. He quit his hedge fund job and started Amazon in his garage. Mark Benioff saw the shift to cloud computing and built Salesforce into a $200 billion company. These weren't accidents. These were calculated bets on technological transformation. AI Opportunities 2025 will make those early internet fortunes look like pocket change. Here's your wake-up call, Luxonians. If you ignore AI, you'll be left behind like those who dismissed the internet in the 90s. While you're debating whether AI is good or bad, others are using it to automate their income streams. While you're worried about job security, entrepreneurs are building AI-powered empires. Gary Vaynerchuk has been vocal about this on his shows. He constantly emphasizes that those who don't adapt to AI will be left behind, not by the technology itself, but by competitors who are using AI to work faster and smarter. He's integrated AI into VaynerMedia's operations and has shared specific examples of how it's improved their efficiency and client results. But here's the beautiful truth about this AI wealth revolution. You don't need a computer science degree, you don't need venture capital, you don't need to quit your job tomorrow. You just need to start. Start with free AI tools. Start with simple automation. Start with learning one new AI skill this week. Here's your action plan. Download ChatGPT and spend 30 minutes learning prompt engineering. Sign up for Canva's AI features and create content faster than ever. Try Claude or Perplexity for research that used to take hours. Use AI writing tools to start that blog you've been planning. These small steps separate you from 90% of people who will still be complaining about AI while you're profiting from it. The early internet created millionaires out of college students with basic HTML knowledge. The App Store gold rush made fortunes for developers with simple ideas. Now it's AI's turn, and the entry barrier has never been lower. Kevin Kelly, the founding executive editor of Wired magazine, has written extensively about how AI will create more jobs and opportunities than it destroys. The key is positioning yourself as someone who works with AI, not against it. Remember this moment, Luxonians. Years from now, you'll look back at today as either the day you chose to ride the AI wave to financial freedom, or the day you let fear keep you watching from the sidelines while others became wealthy. The choice is yours. The tools are free. The opportunity is now. Your future millionaire self is waiting for you to make the move. Don't let them down. The AI economy doesn't care about your doubts. It only rewards your decisions. Every day you wait, someone else is taking your spot in the AI wealth revolution. Every hour you hesitate, another entrepreneur is building their AI-powered income stream. The question isn't whether you'll eventually use AI to make money. The question is whether you'll be early enough to maximize the opportunity. Tim Ferriss has talked about this extensively on his podcast. He emphasizes that the biggest risk isn't trying and failing with AI. The biggest risk is not trying at all and watching others build the future without you. Naval Ravikant has also shared how AI tools have 10x'd his productivity in research and content creation. Your bank account will thank you. Your family will thank you. Your future self will thank you, but only if you start today. Subscribe to this channel for more AI wealth strategies. Join our community for exclusive blueprints and weekly sessions. The AI revolution is here. Your wealth revolution starts now. Welcome to Luxona, where millionaires are made.